That bird, darling?
Kookaburra.
Kookaburra. Are they a meat eater?
Yeah.
So what else they like to eat? So cute.
People with video cameras.
That's so cool.
Come on, this one you got to earn it.
See, cunt. Go on.
Oh, he heard some
Dad, you don't get attacked.
No, he's very timid. See, he doesn't want to fly anywhere.
It's alright.
Oh, it just moved. Following you now.
Let's see if he goes out on my arm.
We will see. It's so cute. He's watching you at the same time. Oh, oh,
No way.
no way. It's so cute.
I told you would.
That's so
Yeah, I know. It's so cute. Oh,
It's all right.
Dad.
it's so cute.
Whoa. Asha, enough.
There's another bit down here. Hang on.
Oh,
He's-
where are you going now?
Yeah, we'll get him on the arm.
Tell Alex, stop Asha from doing that.
Don't cry, Asha.
Another bit there. See that?
Distracted with the noise.
If you have a look at his beak, it's all covered in dirt because they dig a lot in the ground for the worms and things.
So
you
they
know?
like worms also.
Yeah.
Okay. Do they eat lizard?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see.
Oh, he's looking at me.
He's looking at you and said, "What are you doing to me?" It's so cute watching you at the same time. He said, "Are you feeding me or what?"
He's listening to the other bird.
I know.
You mate.
Well, don't do that.
He's gonna run away.
It's got a full belly now.
Yep. A very nice bird. I never see the kookaburra that close. I know.
They're so pretty.
Yeah.
Shove that in your hand. Yeah.
It's been a long time since.
Don't be scared. They just only want to
Oi.
be
Scary, mate.
Jesus.
They're scary, bro. Mum, stop having it so zoomed in. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, because it's too big for him.
Yeah, this is a small one.
Oh. Jeepers, mate.
That's what they do with their prey.
Ah.
I mean, with their food. They break it up that way. Arm out though, because otherwise he'll just pick it off your hand.
Look at Athena. Athena is scared? No, you don't need to be scared. He said, "You're scared of me." He said, "Where's the food?" Are you looking for the food, Kookaburra?
Well, you just tip some on
Yeah,
the
I know.
ground.
Aww.
There's the right one.
Just show it to him. Yeah, you can see it.
Yep.
You can see it now.
Oh, please don't attack me.
It's not gonna attack you. Never attack your dad.
I'm gonna attack you.
Yeah.
See if I can pat him.
Yep. Oh, so cute.
Come on.
Look.
Ah.
He says, "Oh, I don't like that."
Ah.
Oh, you missed that bit then. You dropped it.
Oh, where are you going now?
He's gonna fly.
Yep.
Yeah.
He just cleaned his beak.
Okay, you're gonna bye-bye now?
Go on, go closer with your hand.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, mate.
Go on, go closer. He's looking at
scared,
you.
Dad, he's gonna
got his
fucking
gloves
peck me.
up.
He's gonna back me.
Now.
Put your hand closer. Now he'll take it.
Shit, they're pretty cool.
Scared to the bed.
Pretty.
He's got a big feed of ham now.
I know.
What, will he come back every day now?
He could do.
I almost got swooped by a magpie.
Look at his hair
yesterday.
I
stand
know.
up.
Why the hell is he standing up?
I've never seen a kookaburra this close before. That's so
Haven't you?
cool.
Oh, this is my first time also.
This house I once went to, the most amazing thing I ever had with a kookaburra was this house I went to, and I was holding a bit of steak, and I was doing this in the air, and the kookaburra was
We're just
chasing it
chasing you.
in the air.
That's so cool.
Look at this, Athena.
Go for it, mate. Go on.
Oh, look, he's puffing himself up. He's saying, "You won't give it to me."
Ah. Oh.
Stop hitting the beak like that, dude. You're gonna injure yourself.
Go on then.
I had enough now.
Are they fluffy?
See that? I keep patting him with my
They're
fingers.
interrogating him.
See?
No, he just
They're
doesn't like to
annoying
be
him,
touched.
mate. Is he fluffy?
Oh. Is it running away now?
There you go. Go on.
He said, oh, I had enough now. You had enough now? Huh, bird? Where you going now?
Just pecking at shit.
No. Go on then.
I had enough now.
Are they fluffy?
See that? I keep patting him with my
They're
fingers.
interrogating him.
See?
No, he just
They're
doesn't like to
annoying
be
him,
touched.
mate. Is he fluffy?
Oh. Is it running away now?
There you go. Go on.
He said, oh, I had enough now. You had enough now? Huh, bird? Where you going now?
Just pecking at shit.
No.